Hello everyone, welcome to PrepFuture Learning. My name is Amit Mandal and I am the instructor for this Python-SQL practical series. Welcome to practical number 5. Here we will write a program to find average and grade for given marks. So I will start with opening a browser, search for Google Colab. I will click on this link, open Colab. Then I will open this new notebook. First I will rename this file. Practical number. So once done, I can just write here practical number 5. Then I can write a Python program. Find average and grade for given marks. So for this, first I have to define the number of subjects. So I will press N. So suppose we have number of subjects 5. Okay, then I will write subject for each mark. So for like subject, we have subject 1 sub 1 equal to like if it's 70, and sub 2 we have 75. Subject 3 I have 80. Subject 4 I have 85, and subject 5 we have 82. Okay, so I need to first calculate the average. Okay, calculate average. Calculate the average marks. First I will write average marks. I can simply write this as an average equal to, so first we have to sum it up for subject 1, for subject 2, for subject 3, then sub 4, sub 5, then sub 6. Sorry, so we have 5 subject only, so only 5. And we have to divide it by number of subjects, so divided by n. Okay, once we are done with this, I can simply write print average marks. If I just simply write average here, and if I execute this program by pressing shift plus enter, so I will get 78.4. This is the average. Okay, so if I want to write this like average marks, now if I execute this, I will get the output like this. Okay, so we have done with the average marks. Now I need to find the grid also. So in order to find this, I will just again write to assign grades. I will use if and else condition. Okay, so if average greater or equal to 90, print grade A plus. So this way I can just elif average is greater or equal to 980. Since we are using if condition, we have to give a colon here at the end. In average, we have to give a colon here. So I will write print grade A. Similarly, I can just copy this down right here. Okay. I'm just copying all the things. So just the average is 80, then we have grade A. Then if the average is 70, we have grade B. If average is 60, greater than equal to 60, we have this grade C. Average is greater than 50, we have this grade D. Else printf. So let's now execute this. So we are getting some indentation error. So here we have this. So this print will be here. So let's execute again. We are getting some indentation here. Okay. So okay, now everything looks fine. Now we can go with it. So average mark is 78.4 and grade is B. So this is in practical number 5. Suppose if you want to have like subject for n number of subjects, so n6 you can write here, and you can just increase one subject 6. Okay. So subject 6 will be, suppose you have 90, you can just write it here, subject 6. Okay. So you can just press execute the program, you will get this. Average marks is 80.333 and grade is A. Okay. So here you can give as many subject as you want. Okay. Suppose if you want to enter using input function, you can do like this. So for that, using input function, you can like using input function, we can have it. I can simply copy and paste this whole. Okay. What I can do, I can just, instead of writing this number here, I will write input, then enter marks for subject 1, and then similarly I can just copy this down for every subject. So since we are putting an integer here, I can simply put int. So but if you want to like put 80.5 or something like that, so we can use a float value here. So instead of integer we can have float. Okay, so I will now copy this. Okay. So we have the got introduced week. I will write subject 2, subject 3, subject 4, subject 5, and subject 6. So if I now execute this, so I will get, so it is asking me to enter marks for subject 1. So if I write 55, subject 2 if I write 78, if for subject I write 76, for subject 4 I write 83, subject 5 if I write 89, and if I write subject 6 if I write 87, I will get average marks as 78 and scored B. Okay, so you can use it like using input function. So this is the end of the practical number 5. So we will meet in the next practical. Thank you for attending.